Mr. Johnson had taken painkillers for over 20 years with little relief. He was forced to use the assistance of his cane to walk until he started acupuncture treatments.
And after I retired, that would be about 20 years ago, my feet began to get sore. I had to quit golf, I had to quit any activity. And it reached a point where my feet were so painful that I couldn't walk without a cane.
Signs and symptoms of neuropathy: gradual onset of numbness, prickling or tingling in feet or hands, sharp, stabbing, throbbing, or burning pain.
He has a neuropathy on both feet. He suffers big pain and numbness of the feet for 20 years. Also, he cannot walk in long distance, even short distance, and they cause big pain.
And all the doctor would prescribe for me are painkillers. And painkillers just did not work for me.
So after the first several treatments, and he felt help a lot, so he has confidence to come in to continue the acupuncture treatment. After about 1 or 2 cycle treatment, that he can walk in a little bit longer distance, sometimes 20 minutes, half hour, without the big pain.
So when I came to the university here to get acupuncture, I felt an immediate relief in my feet. First of all, I felt that my feet felt less swollen. And as time went on, the pain got less until I could walk without a cane. I can do a lot of the activities that I thought I would never do before, by shopping and things like that.
For neuropathy, for Western medicines, there's actually no medication to treat this. Let them just heal by himself or just helped by the painkillers. But for acupuncture, why it works? Because acupuncture inserts the points, they speed up the blood. This patient, they have diabetes, the blood circulation is poor on the bottom of the feet. But acupuncture inserts the needles and they speed up the blood up to the 7 times the original level, and also bring the more blood flow for the local area. So help to recovery of this problem.
My heart condition was out of whack because my blood pressure was too low and my pulse was too high. So Winnie Wang, who was treating me at that time, told me that she would like to get that reversed. And she also told me that she would like to put me on herbal supplements. So I wrote an email to my doctor and I told him that I was doing very well. I was taking acupuncture, and I told him that my specialist wanted to put me on an herbal program. And he wrote back to tell me that I'm glad to hear that your feet are doing better, but he said herbal medicine is very unreliable. And that kind of shocked me because he is a good doctor. I was thinking to myself, you had me for 20 years and all you gave me was painkillers and they didn't work. And now that something is working, you say it's unreliable. How can you call it unreliable if you've never used it before?
Herbal supplements, there's inside the herbs, and it's also move the blood, control, reduce the inflammation. So help the patient a lot.
There is a little pain, but I got to remind you that when I was at hospital, I had both hips removed. And one of the nurses told me that I have a high resistance for pain. And I asked her why, and she said, because you don't ask for any painkillers. So I can feel the pain pricks, but they don't bother me at all. I'm glad that I'm not relying on painkillers. I know painkillers don't work. And I've had so much success with acupuncture that I'm telling everybody about it.